Are you ready to explore the future of warfare? Join us on a journey into the shadowy world of fifth-generation warfare, where battles are fought not only on the battlefield, but in the realms of cyberspace, information, and psychology. Get ready to uncover the tactics and strategies shaping the conflicts of tomorrow right here on our channel. In an era of unprecedented connectivity and technological advancement, the nature of warfare is undergoing a dramatic transformation. Gone are the days of conventional battles on open fields. Instead, conflicts are increasingly being waged through subtle, decentralized means. Picture this: a conflict where the line between friend and foe is blurred, where the front lines are invisible, and where victory is determined not by brute force, but by strategic manipulation. This is the world of fifth-generation warfare. At its core, it's a form of warfare that transcends traditional boundaries, utilizing a blend of unconventional tactics and technologies to achieve strategic objectives. From information warfare to cyber attacks to psychological operations, fifth-generation warfare represents a paradigm shift in how conflicts are waged. Let's start with information warfare, where the battleground is the minds of the masses. Through propaganda, disinformation, and influence campaigns, adversaries seek to shape perceptions, sow discord, and undermine trust in institutions. In the age of social media, the spread of misinformation has never been easier or more dangerous. But the battlefield extends beyond the realm of ideas. It's also waged in cyberspace. Cyber warfare involves the use of digital tools to infiltrate, disrupt, and sabotage enemy systems. From state-sponsored hacking to ransomware attacks to election interference, cyber warfare poses a significant threat to national security. And let's not forget about psychological operations, or PSYOPs. By exploiting vulnerabilities in the human psyche, adversaries seek to manipulate emotions, sow confusion, and undermine morale. Whether through targeted propaganda or covert manipulation, PSYOPs are a powerful weapon in the arsenal of fifth-generation warfare. In the face of these evolving threats, defending against fifth-generation warfare requires a multidimensional approach. From bolstering cybersecurity to countering disinformation to building societal resilience, it's essential that we remain vigilant and adaptable. Only then can we hope to navigate the complexities of modern conflict and safeguard our collective security. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening exploration of fifth-generation warfare. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And of course, let us know your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below.